Hello everyone! Today I'm going to make this bracelet. Attach the buckle with the crimp beads.
In her hand, stories
I attach 3 strings with the buckle.
of threads.
Add seed beads on the left and right thread. Add past the green drill from left and middle thread.
Creating beauty all day long.
Check out this.
The beauty she creates with every stitch, every thread that waits. In her workshop, love
Pass the ice blue drill from middle and right thread.
art and craft abide. From hair clips to jewelry fine, her hands weave magic one thread at a
Outcome
time.
will look like this.
A
I added some more seed beads dot in the right thread to fill up the space. Repeat the step by switching the colors.
Crafting night. Oh, the beauty she creates.
Keep your thread tight.
Every stitch, every thread.
Repeat the steps.
In her workshop, love resides, where art and craft abide. From the quiet, she finds her voice, a language spoken without a choice. The craft itself, a work of art, a reflection of her loving heart. Oh, the beauty she creates with every stitch, every thread that waits. In her workshop, love resides, where art and craft abide. In her hands, stories told of threads.
Continue adding your beads until you achieve the appropriate length.
A craftswoman's heart beats strong, creating beauty.
End the bracelet by adding some seed beads.
Oh, the beauty she creates with every stitch, every thread.
I added 2 beads in the left and 1 bead in the middle to level it. Now add crimp beads in all threads.
Where art and craft abide. From
Tighten it.
hairclips to jewelry fine, her hands weave magic one thread at a time. A symphony of color and light.
Cut out the extra thread, and your demanding quadrille bracelet is done.